Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Bounce 2 and I'm gonna show you how to factory reset this watch by using the system settings on it. Before we start, if you want to factory reset your watch, make sure that the battery level on your watch is at least above 20 or 30%, because if the battery dies during the resetting process, it might damage your watch. Now let's continue with the resetting process. So first we need to press the upper button to open the menu, then we need to scroll through the menu, look for the settings icon, and once you find it, you need to tap on the settings icon, of course. Here we need to scroll down, find the option called the system and select it, and then scroll down, find the diagnostics, tap on it, and here find the reset and tap on it, of course. And we have reset default settings. This will basically reset only the settings to default. Then we have delete data and reset settings, and then we have delete temporary files. We are interested in this option, delete data and reset settings. This will basically remove all of our data and settings from our watch. So if you want to sell it to somebody or give it to somebody, you can basically remove everything and then give it to them. And to do that, tap on the option, tap on the checkmark to confirm, and wait until the process is complete, which will take maybe a minute or two. Hopefully a bit shorter. I'm gonna come back to you once it's done. Okay, and once you see the list of languages on the screen, it means that the factory reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.